Have you been hearing about eye cream and all its wonderful benefits, and then you decided to go online and you start seeing the prices? Scandalous. The only question is why. The skin under the eyelids, yeah, is the thinnest on your body, blah blah blah. It needs special attention, blah blah blah. I understand, because when you start to age, this is where it starts telling from. And I understand, it makes you want to get an eye cream. It makes you think, okay, this is something I actually really do need to take care of. But they are not putting it at reasonable prices. Like, and if you check a lot of the ingredients in this eye cream and you compare it to the ingredients of a moisturizer from the same brand, you will basically see the same thing, the same maybe collagen peptide, the same glycerin, the same ingredients that are in the eye cream is what is in the moisturizer. The only difference is the eye cream might be in a lighter consistency, so it's basically like a watered down version of the moisturizer in a smaller bottle, sold for twice the price. Now, if you don't want to fall for that scam, come here, I have a hack for you. So what you want to do is take your regular moisturizer. This is the Beta Repair Soothing Face Cream. It's what I use for my face, and you can tell from the glow that it's working. This face cream, it has green tea extract, it has plant keratin, it has collagen peptide. Now, plant keratin and collagen peptide, they are ingredients that help to make your skin firm. They boost collagen production, and they just overall help your skin to stay like firm and, you know, up and nice and everything. So I mean, I have all I need right here. It contains aloe vera, which is very moisturizing. So it's basically chock full of all these moisturizing and nourishing ingredients. So once you find a moisturizer that has all the right ingredients, which is probably the moisturizer you are already using for your face, you just take a little bit, just a little bit like this. I don't know if you can see, just a little bit, yeah, and then just put it under your eye. Now what you need to do is just tap it into your eye. Just tap it into your under eye there. Period. Eye cream who? Eye cream where? Who is eye cream? Who is she? I don't know who she is. Take your moisturizer. Just take a little bit of it, because like I said, the eyelids, they are really thin, so you don't want to bombard them. Just take a little bit, apply it under your eye, and just tap it in so that it spreads evenly under your eye. Look at my under eyes. They look so juicy, so moisturized, so well taken care of. That's all you need. You don't need no eye cream. I mean, if you feel like you really need to use the eye cream, you have the money to buy it, I mean, who am I to stop you? But for my girls out there who still want to take care of their under eyes, but they don't want to spend their entire salary on a single product, this hack is for you, my G's. I'm always here for you. Like this video, drop a comment, share this video with a fellow broke girl who does not have money to spend on eye cream, and subscribe to this channel for more content. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.